What's up everyone, Kawaii here to react to CHOU'S newest music video, You Are the Fireworks I Missed. AKA, I think this is the third music video he has uploaded this month. Oh my god, this man is on a roll. I feel like he's gonna be like releasing a new album or something. Because why else would he be releasing so much new music in such a short amount of time? But yeah, for those of you guys who are new to this channel, I am related to CHOU'S. CHOU'S is my dad's cousin. I've explained this multiple times during my CHOU'S live reactions. And speaking of which, I have reacted to many of CHOU'S previous songs, so I'll put a link to some of those in the description down below. But yeah, other than that, we're going to get right on to it, so without further ado, let's go. Alright, here we go. You Are the Fireworks I Missed. Where's he at right now? Is he... He's among some sort of like canyons or something. No, is he? No. He's not in, no, he's not in Utah, is he? Is this Utah? No. Well, I swear to God, if this man was in Utah, without me knowing, oh my God. Oh, this is definitely more of a rock direction, I think. Oh, this is a little bit more up my alley, actually. I think so. Got the guitar, we got the drums. And once again, we get another music video of him driving a classic muscle car, or a classic sports car. Basically a classic, old classic car. Like, I'm not even sure what car that is. Might not even fit any of those categories. Also, once again, Jay's hat game is strong. I just love how this man is just flexing his wardrobe at this point. We have just seen him in 4 different outfits. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this. President Cho! Once again, not conforming to a specific genre. Of course, you got that little piano worked in there. Oh my god, this is so good. So first we see Jay in Paris, then we see him wandering around in Vegas, and now he's wandering around in the desert somewhere. Oh man, this was really fucking good. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite songs with him, like in terms of like recent songs, like his most recent songs. And that's mainly because it is pointing towards that rock direction, and I love rock music. I am like kind of a rock fan, metalhead, somewhat of a metalhead. So yeah, this is a little bit up my alley. And I remember that I did mention, I feel like I think I did mention during my reaction to Won't Cry that I was wondering like, hey Jay, when you gonna veer towards metal? When you gonna make metal music? And well, he's kinda headed towards that direction, although not really. But yeah, overall, another fantastic, incredibly catchy song from Jay Chou. I mean, I'm always looking forward to his new music. At least that's what I've been doing lately. So yeah, definitely wondering when the new album, if he's gonna release one. He's probably gonna release one. Why else would he release so much new music over a short period of time? Definitely curious to see when his new album is gonna come, or when he's gonna release new music at least. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel, follow my Twitter, support my Patreon, link to the description down below, and I will see you guys next time.